We are going to go now to Luke. So Luke, where are you? Come forward.
Okay, so this will work. Okay. Hi, kia ora. I'm kia ora koutou. I'm Dr. Luke. I'm a wannabe rapper, but the emphasis is on wannabe. You'll figure it out. All right. Ready? So my poem is entitled Tūī Talking. Ready? When Rangi and Aroha went for a bushwalk, green fern and harakeke spread, and pip pip cheek tweet tweet tweet, warbling, trilling Tūī talked overhead. Rangi's hand held Aroha's firm yet tenderly. Aroha's cheeks burned brightly red, and pip pip cheek tweet tweet tweet, and many whistling Tūī talked overhead. Through mist and mud, the couple climbed the track's steep steps. Golden coffee blossomed ahead, and pip pip cheek tweet tweet tweet, chirping chatty Tūī talked overhead. In reverence, the pair bowed to the fertile earth, with footprints from those who once tread, and pip pip cheek tweet tweet tweet, more murmuring Tūī talked overhead. Manuka and Rakau felt the rich dirt paved. Memories lived in Rangi's head, and pip pip cheek tweet tweet tweet, a few wheezing Tūī talked overhead. Aroha now gone, all around are well-mown lawns. Rangi's beard has grown gray instead, and pip pip cheek tweet tweet tweet, softly sobbing Tūī talked overhead. On roads of asphalt and paths of concrete, cars screech, zooming through grotty ground widespread, and pip pip cheek tweet tweet tweet, one sighing Tūī talked overhead.
Thank you, Luke. That was great.